Hello, this is John, N5ID, and today we're going to finish up the alphabet with X, Y, and Z. Let's review A through W quickly, and let me say you may hear some thunder in the background. We're having some storms right now. My shack sits on the train track. You may hear a train passing by. And you may even hear my little Gigi barking as she tends to come out in the shack and carry on at times. Let's review what we've already learned. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. I messed up. I need to send a string of dits letting people know that I messed up. K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Let's go through it again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. I messed up. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Now today we're going to learn X, Y, and Z. X is da, dit, dit, da. Y is da, dit, da, da. And Z is da, da, dit, dit. Let me go through it again. X is Y is and Z is. Let's write this down. X is da, dit, dit, da. Y is da, dit, da, da. And Z is da, da, dit, dit. One more time. X is da, dit, dit, da. Y is da, dit, da, da. And Z is da, da, dit, dit. In ham radio, we normally refer to the wife as the XYL. XYL. See if you can pick this word up. Y-O-K-E, yoke. Let me send that again. See if you can pick this word out. Q-U-I. Q-U-I-Z, quiz. Let me send it again. Q-U-I-Z, quiz. Now, let me send an actual sentence to you and see if you can pick this up. This is a quiz. Let me send it again. This is a quiz. Let me see if you can pick this up. Yaesu, Y-A-E-S-U. Yaesu. See if you can pick this up. ICOM, I-C-O-M. ICOM. My, M-Y. My, M-Y. Name, N-A-M-E. Let me send it again. Is, I-S. Is. John, J-O-H-N. Let's make sure that we've learned X, Y, and Z. X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That's the alphabet in Morse code. And if you're having any trouble with the letters, go back and review the lessons that you're having trouble with. A, B, C, and D is lesson 1. E, F, G, and H is lesson 2. I, J, K, L is lesson 3. M, N, O, P is lesson 4. Q, R, S, T is lesson 5. U, V, W is lesson 6. And this lesson 7 is X, Y, and Z. In our next lesson, we will begin to learn the numbers. Thank you for watching the video. God bless. Have a wonderful day.